Hey guys, it's Miss Vaca. I wanted to read April 9th math quiz for you. Thursday's quiz. Good luck. All right, I'll read it once and then you guys can pause and listen to it again if you need to. If not, then just pause to work on it and then continue on when you're ready to move on. All right, here we go. Number one. Which is the largest number? Number two. What is 38 1/10 rounded to the nearest whole number? Number three, if the model is 1 unit, which decimal is represented by the shaded part? Number four, which statement correctly rounds a decimal to the nearest hundredth? The number 473 thousandths rounds to 48 hundredths. The number 526 thousandths rounds to 53 hundredths. The number 642 thousandths rounds to 63 hundredths. The number 781 thousandths rounds to 79 hundredths. Number 5, Martha's pet ferret measures 42 27 hundredths centimeters long. What is the length rounded to the nearest tenth of a centimeter? Number 6. The solution to 421 times 32 is closest to Number 7. The mass of one atom of aluminum is 26.9816 AMU, atomic mass units. Aisha wants to round this mass to the nearest hundredth. What reasoning should she use? A. Round to 26 98 hundredths because 1 is smaller than 5. B. Round to 26 99 hundredths because 8 is greater than or equal to 5. C. Round to 26 981 thousandths because 1 is less than 5. Or D. Round to 26 982 thousandths because 5 is greater than or equal to 5. Number 8. There are 36 crayons in a box. If your school orders 400 boxes of crayons, how many crayons will the school get? Number 9. A company sells packages of cotton balls. Each package contains 275 cotton balls. The company sent a box of 24 packages of cotton balls to a grocery store. What is the total number of cotton balls that the company sent to the grocery store? Ten. What is 5 816 thousandths rounded to the nearest tenth? $11. Which number that when rounded to the hundredths place will make the inequality true? $12. Which is true? 6 98 hundredths rounded to the nearest tenth is 6 9/10. 3 45 hundredths rounded to the nearest tenth is 3 5/10. 8 123 thousandths rounded to the nearest hundredth is 8 13 hundredths. 4 55 hundredths rounded to the nearest whole number is 4. 13. What is the product of 183 and 15? 14. Keith is an umpire for Little League Baseball and earns $35 per game. If Keith serves as an umpire at 16 games next month, how much will he earn? 15. In which number is the value of the digit in the hundreds place 1/10 the value of the digit in the thousands place? 16. Which expression has a total value of 40? 17. Which description is equivalent to 5 plus 4 times 2? All right, A, add 5 and 4, then multiply by 2. B, multiply 4 by 2, then add 5. C, multiply by 2, then add 4. Or D, add 4 and 2, then multiply by 5. "18. Which expression represents the calculation subtract 7 and 1, then divide by 3? 19. Which shows the decimal form for this expression? And 20. Hannah multiplies 542 thousandths by powers of 10. By what power of 10 would Hannah multiply 542 thousandths to get a product of 5,420,000? Good luck.